Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken easy. First, let's talk about preparation. Patting your chicken dry is a crucial step for achieving that perfect golden brown crust and ensuring your seasonings stick. Remember, food safety is paramount, so always cook chicken to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. After cooking, let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This keeps the meat wonderfully juicy. Now, let's explore some simple cooking methods. Pan-searing is fantastic for a quick meal, typically taking 8 to 10 minutes for chicken breasts over medium-high heat. If you prefer baking, boneless, skinless chicken breasts usually need 20 to 30 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. For a mix of chicken pieces, roasting at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes works wonderfully. Elevating your chicken's flavor is easier than you think. A foundational seasoning blend includes salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. For a smoky depth, try adding smoked paprika or a pinch of cayenne pepper if you enjoy a little spice. Incorporating dried herbs such as oregano, basil, or thyme can also significantly boost the overall taste of your chicken. Finally, let's talk about turning your easy chicken into delicious meals. Sheet pan dinners are incredibly convenient. Just toss chicken and vegetables together for a complete meal. Shredded chicken is a versatile hero, ideal for tacos, fresh salads, hearty sandwiches, or comforting casseroles. For meal prepping, consider making flavorful honey mustard or teriyaki chicken bowls, which are both healthy and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.